When the light is green, it's time to go. We can walk ahead, but take it slow. When the light is yellow, wait and see. Be careful now, don't hurry, just be. Green light, yellow light, red light too. Follow the rules, they're here for you. Walking, riding, always stay safe. Together on the road at a steady pace. When the light turns red,